नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथ्रोलॉजी। सब प्रोग्राम नेम MEd फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर, कोर्स नेम मैथोलॉजी ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च, सेशन नेम साइंटिफिक मेथड मीनिंग, यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। I welcome you all in university class MEd. Manju Sharma discussing this topic, scientific method meaning. The two terms research and scientific method are closely related in research. We study the nature, regions and the consequences or a set of circumstances which are controlled experimentally or observed as they appear. Researcher is usually interested in particular results. The repetitions of those results and generalizations. On the other hand, the philosophy common to all research methods and techniques, although they may vary considerably from one science to another, is usually given the name of scientific method. In this context, Carl Pearson writes, the scientific method is one and the same in the branches of science, and that method is the method of all logical trained minds. The unity of all sciences consists alone in its method, not its material. The man who classifies facts of any kind whatever, who sees their mutual relation and describes their sequences, is applying the scientific method and is a man of science. Scientific method is the pursuit of truth as determined by logical consideration. The ideal of science is to achieve a systematic interrelations of facts. Scientific method attempts to achieve this ideal by experimentation, observation, logical arguments from accepted postulate and combination of these three in varying proportions. First is experimentation, next observation, and next to logical argument. There are three measures of scientific method. In scientific method, logic adds in formulating propositions explicitly and accurately so that their possibly alternative become clear. Further, logic development the consequences of such alternatives, and when these are compared with the observable phenomena, it becomes possible for the researcher or the scientist to state which alternative is the most in harmony with the observed facts. All this is done through experimentation and survey investigations, which constitute the integral parts of scientific method. Experimentation is done to test hypotheses and to discover new relationship. If any among variables, however, sometimes the conclusions drawn on the basis of experimental data may be misleading for either futile assumptions, poorly designed experiments, badly executed experiments, or faulty interpretations. As such, the researcher must pay all possible attention while developing the experimental design and drawing inferences. The purpose of survey investigations may also be to provide scientifically gathered information to work as a basis for the researchers for their conclusions. Scientific method is very important for sciences and social sciences. The scientific method is thus based on certain basic postulates which can be stated as under. It relies on empirical evidence. It utilizes relevant concepts. It is committed to only objective consideration. It aims at nothing but making only adequate and correct statements about population objects. It results into probabilistic predictions. Its methodology is made known to all concerned for critical security and are for use in testing the conclusions through replication. It aims at formulating most general axioms or what can be termed as scientific theories. Thus, the scientific method encourages a rigorous method wherein the researcher is guided by the rules of logical reasoning. A method wherein the investigation proceeds in an orderly manner, and a method that implies internally consistency. So, scientific research method is totally realize empirical evidence, relevant concepts, objective consideration, probabilistic predictions, replications, formulating termed as scientific theories, problematic predictions, overall are in scientific method. And scientific method is purely experimental, observation or result based. Experimentation is done, test hypothesis, and a researcher discover new relationship. As such, the researcher must pay all possible attention while developing the experimental design and drawing interferences. Researcher is purely dedicated for their research in scientific method. The session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and also say, I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.